What's up, my ponios? Andy with Tech Influence here, going over the tough case with stash stand here from the folks at ESR. There's a great way here to be able to utilize an awesome, durable kickstand case while still being able to protect your phone 7 times the military drop grade. It's made out of polycarbonate and TPU material to be able to give you that ergonomic grip as well as insulation in the event of a mishap. It's got a sturdy metal kickstand so you can set it up, stream, TikTok, watch movies, make content, you name it. It's got MagSafe capabilities so you can still charge with a Qi2 charger or some of these other wireless charging banks. And it comes in a bunch of different colors here to choose from. With that said, the folks at ESR provided this to be complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability for the 16 Pro Max case, as well as some of the other products that we go over. With that said, let's go and unbox this, demonstrate it, and see what you're getting yourself into. Let's go over the tough case with stash stand. I like how this comes in a number of different colors. It's made out of 2 different materials, polycarbonate and TPU, and it also can be taken apart, which is cool. You can recycle all of the contents. It has 3 different layers. 2 of them are on the TPU side. You got like this memory foam rubber that gives you insulation on the back side. You got the TPU, which is all the way around the edges and into the corners here, giving you extra corner protection. You got these grooves in here that trap air for insulation as well. And then you got the hardened TPU case on the back, which has your MagSafe hollow lock built in. I like that. Obviously, you don't need to necessarily take it apart here to install it, but just for demonstration, I wanted to show you all 3 layers. You got silicone buttons cut out here for the camera control. You got a little spot here for the I/O, buttons here on the side, ergonomic grip with the TPU material. It's just nice. I like that. A really clean build. And then you've got this really high quality metal and metallic stash stand. The kickstand case gives you 80 degrees here to be able to scroll, stream, watch content, you name it. Placing the phone in here for the first time, really easy, go from the bottom to the top and then you kind of squeeze it in. It will give you a really clean, tight grip. So just know that it is going to add an 1/8 of an inch on each side, giving you about a 1/4 of an inch thickness in addition, but it is pretty lightweight, which is clean. Look at that in the hand. I like that a lot. Coming up close, you can see the kickstand case. You can hold your phone up. You can set it up like that to TikTok, to do reels, to make content, you name it. Super robust. Be able to add this here to your content creation. I like that. Or just your general use. Using the camera control, just double tap and it'll activate. You can see here, you have access to all of your different functions of the camera control, but it is a little bit delayed because just the nature of how this is cut out. You're not getting a full entire surface of your finger. It is cut off just a little bit. For the rest of it, you've got the I/O covered on the bottom. You got your volume rocker, action button, still able to use it, no problem. You got your action button, still able to use it, which is cool. Power button, you name it, I like that. Really clean in the hand. It has MagSafe capability, so if you want to throw on something like this ShiftCam SnapGrip Pro, it's got 5,000 milliamps charging at 15 watts, so this gives you a nice charging. You can use it as a shutter button as well, or if you wanted to, you can add something like this light on there or any of their other accessories, which makes this easy for making content. Otherwise, you can throw on your traditional charging bank. This is from Apple. This is going to give you 15 watts, which is nice. Or if you wanted to do a wired Qi charging from ESR, they've got this cool Qi2 charging plug up to the standard there, which is nice. I like that. This is an awesome, robust case from the folks at ESR. They did provide this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. It's got the 2-piece polycarbonate and TPU bumpers here on the corners to give you that extra protection. They do have a little cutout here for your camera control bump, which I'm a little bit negative about, but nonetheless, they've got protection for all of your other I/O as well as your buttons that are nice and clicky, and it's just got a nice firm grip. The best part, I think, is this kickstand case, which I find to be really awesome to be able to have to stream, to make content, or to have while you're camping, off-roading, or for your active lifestyle. With that said, the folks at ESR provided this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it does help out the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. Subscribe, like. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.